Hey guys, this is April at Georgia Girl Plans. I have another plan with me for you today, and this is going to be a plan with me in my PP Weeks planner, and I am going to be using this leftover kit. This is from GP Sticker Studio. This is the September Mystery from 2018. So this is her full-size ultimate kit. So I always have a ton left over. I use this in my Erin Condren, so I have quite a bit of deco, date covers, and date dots, checklists, some functional items, quarter boxes, half boxes, and little things, some ombre check boxes and eighth boxes, headers. I'm going to use these washi strips as full boxes, some functional icons, headers, a weekend banner, and then a double box, scripts, and then one full box and some washi strips left. And then I'm going to be doing a week on 4-page layout, so I will be using this habit tracker from Little Pitty Paper as well. So if you have not watched one of my PP Weeks plan with me, I only have one plan with me up so far, but I do have a flip through. So I have been alternating how I'm using this, and I really think so far my favorite way to use this is a week on 4-page. So this is this past week. I did a week on 2-page, and I was able to do some daily to-dos and then half boxes for my workouts. But let's see, 2 weeks ago, or week before last, I did a week on 4-page, and I really love this because I can mark any meetings, a checklist, what I eat, my workout, and then I can still use some full boxes. So this was Monday through Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a next week section, and then I use the habit tracker here at the bottom. So I'm going to use this setup for this upcoming week using the leftovers I have. So I am going to go through and do the date covers across the top and then cut my habit tracker in half and put it across the bottom of the second week. And I will speed you through that and be back in 1 minute. Alright, so I've got my date covers and date dots down. I did use those from the kit and through Sunday, and then I have my habit tracker here. I don't think I mentioned that is from Little Pitty Paper. These are actually listed in her shop as Passion Planner habit trackers, but they work perfectly if you just cut between the Tuesday and Wednesday. I do wish that I would have moved this over just a tad, but I'll probably just put some deco or something there. But they do work really nicely. I use this for my health and fitness, so this is a perfect habit tracker to have. So now going to the day-to-day, I am going to use the check flags here as well as the headers. So I think I'm going to do the to-do headers with my check flags, and I'm going to just put those across every single day. And then I like to use this as just like the top 3 things I need to do that day. So I am going to trim down the checklist to just 3 hearts, and like I said, it's just the big things that I need to do. I do have my B6 rings, which has checklist in it, which those are where I put like my household to-dos and that sort of thing, but these are big to-dos for work. This is my everyday carry, so if there are errands I need to do or meetings, I like to have this with me. So I did use my slice tool to trim the checklist down to 3, and I'm just going to put those on every day. And then I'm going to go through and mark any big events that I have. And what I like to do with the second half of the week, this bottom half, is put a full box, so I do have some decoration, and then also my hydration tracker. Alrighty, so I've got my notes here on things that I have going on. So I do have a call on Monday that I want to mark. I think I'm going to do maybe this little thing, so that will be for the call that I have on Monday. And then It is also my stepmom's birthday. I don't think I need to write that in here because I have that in my B6, but I do want to go get a car wash, so I do want to mark that. Let's see. Let's do this. I am planning on getting a new car in the next week or so, so I want to do a full detail of my old car before I trade it in. So there is this little car icon, so that's gonna be for my work, or for getting my car washed. Then this box right here is going to be for my workout. She only has one workout script. I thought there were more, but she does have some workout icons, so I think I'm gonna mix it up with the workout icons, the one workout script, and then some of the deco, just to kind of mix it up every day how I mark it. But I am gonna use these boxes here for my workouts. So let's do, for the first one, this icon here, and then let's do full box at the bottom. And so in between that, so I'm gonna stack this washi for the full box at the bottom here. Start like this. Between the workout and the full box, I want to do a hydration tracker. So I want to figure out how I want to do that. I might do the to-do header and then make a little hydration tracker. Since this is dot grid, it'll be pretty easy to make a little hydration tracker here. I need to be better about actually keeping up with it. So I'm gonna do that full box and then a today header. Could do a half box. I have so many, and then like draw in the little checklists. I might do that. There we go. That works. And then if anything else comes up, I do have this little space here. So let's move on to Tuesday. Tuesday, I do have another call that I want to mark. So I'm going to do it the exact same way. And then Tuesday is an exciting day. It is my husband and I's 3-year anniversary. So I do want to mark that up here, the half box, because it's exciting. And then for my workout this day, which honestly I probably won't do a workout this day, so I'm going to use some deco, because I probably won't be, because we will be going out to eat. So I think I'm just going to do this deco here, and I'll just either write in where we go out to eat or something along those lines. So let's do another today header. Full box here, what I'm going to do is there is this marble washi, and I'm just going to trim it in half and kind of outline where a full box would be, and then put some of the deco in. So a little makeshift full box there. And then on Wednesday, I have a meeting Wednesday, so let's do this box with the coffee for that. I love the paper in the PP Weeks because the stickers pull up so nicely. So that is for my meeting. It's also one of my nephew's birthdays, but I don't need to mark that here. And I do have a call, so we'll do another little thing right there. And then this day for my workout, I think I'll do the script. So it says workout time. So we'll do that there. And then the space beside these, I'm just going to write what I actually did. That is my intention. So then let's do another today header here. So this will be again for my hydration, and for the full box at the bottom, I have one true full box left. Here it is. I don't know if I love the idea of the half box for hydration. We'll just see. I'm gonna leave it off these 2 days and kind of figure out how I want to do that. I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna use this planner. So Thursday, I do not have any calls or meetings or anything, so I'm gonna leave everything up here blank. And I'm going to do the other workout icon. here. And another Today header. And my last stacked washi strips. Here we go. For the full box at the bottom. The colors in this kit are so pretty, and I think they're pretty appropriate for the transition from summer to fall time period. I no longer get the GP Sticker Studio Mystery kits. I love her kits, and there was just so much, but I just have so many kits. And I'm still like so tempted when I see her sneaks because her kits are beautiful, but I just don't need any more. Alrighty. So there is that. I think that is looking so pretty. All that's left on this sheet are these header size, or they're washi strip size too, but I'll probably save those to use in the future. So let's move on to the second half of the week. So Friday, oh, I haven't done my checklist on the second half, so let's go through and do those, and then my to-do headers. Y'all have to let me know if y'all enjoy these plan with me's. I don't, these are, pre-planned plan with me's, and I'm still kind of figuring out the PP weeks, so I definitely would like to know in the comments if you enjoyed this or if it's boring, if you want to continue seeing how I use this planner. Since it's such a new planner, I just think it's interesting to see how people use them and how they figure out how they're going to use them. I know people are using them for a variety of different things, so it's just really interesting to me. So, all right. Friday, I have 2 work calls, and it's payday, and I want to get my nails done. So I think I'm only going to mark one of my calls because another one happens every single week, so it's not abnormal. I'm not going to forget it. So that is going to be for my call, and then she does have a payday script, and she has a Friday script. Let's do Friday. And let's do that in one of these labels here. And then I want to get my nails done this day. So does she have, I probably already used the icon before. So let's do one of these thumbtacks. Yeah, so that will be for my nail appointment. And then for my workout this day, she's got a little icon here. And then a today header for my hydration. And then obviously there won't be any full boxes here because I have my habit tracker. So then moving on to Saturday. Saturday we'll definitely get a half box. It is the first day of football, college football for our college here, University of Georgia, and we love football. So that is going to be there. I definitely will not be doing a workout. I mean, the game is not until 7:30. I can probably do a workout, but we shall see if that happens. So I'm just going to do an asterisk there, and we'll figure out what I'm going to mark. And then we'll do a today header right there. Perfect. Okay. And then Sunday I work, so I'm going to do this label. That is going to be for working. And then it's also my husband's birthday, so let's do another half box for that. And then once again, probably won't be working out, but I'm not great at working out on the weekends. I mean, let's be honest, I'm not great at working out any day of the week, but definitely not on the weekends, so we shall see. And then let's do another today. There we go. And then this section here is my next week section. So what I want to do is maybe a quarter box. She's got a next week header, and then do a checklist. So it's anything that is going to carry over into the next week that I want to move forward, or things I just need to remember about the next week. I could stack this washi here and then put some deco on it. Let's do that, because I don't know what I would use this washi for otherwise. So we'll just stack it and then put some of the deco, and then maybe I'll even do some of the deco down the side or something. It's probably not the most efficient use of this space, but you know, it'll be pretty. And I love this little planner. It is so fun, and I love having this whole setup as my everyday carry. I brought it to the grocery store for the first time last week, and it was just so perfect. It was also sad though, because I had a Lane and Allie bow clip in it, and somehow I lost it at the grocery store. So finished that sheet. That was really sad, and definitely not going to be putting another bow clip in here. So I think I'll just do this little divider here, and then let's do some deco. It's 3 coffee cups on that page, but that is okay. All that's left here are some date dots, so I'll definitely trim those off and save those to use in the future. I do like keeping her double boxes to use like in dashboards, so I'll probably trim that out and definitely use these scripts whenever I can. I do think I'm gonna do, I love her little post-it notes. I'm just gonna do that on Thursday for anything that comes up, because it is just so cute. Yeah, so I think I'll just save all of this and, you know, make a third spread out of it. Why not? So that is everything for my PrintPression playing with me. I think this is really pretty. I only use things from the kit other than my habit tracker, no foil, really functional, and I'm just really happy with it. So, like I said, please comment below and let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy watching how I figure out how to use this, and yeah, how I'm just functionally making it happen. If you'd like to see updates of this spread throughout the week, you can follow me on Instagram. I am at Georgia Girl Plans. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I do try and upload 2 to 3 videos per week, and I really appreciate you watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!